Here are all the files you get with the May 2021 bundle. I want to install the fonts from this bundle onto my computer, and a really easy way to locate just the fonts in a big bundle like this is to open the included PDF that's included with each bundle, and then that lists all the items in the bundle. And so now I can easily see the fonts on the PDF and then locate them in the folder on my computer, extract and open the folder until I have access to the font files themselves. Now, when you open up the font folder, you'll probably see that the font is saved in maybe several different kinds of file formats. And so without going too far into a tangent about font files and what the difference is and when to use them, for the sake of this video, I'm going to install the OTF file. And on my PC, I do that by double clicking on it, and a new window will pop up, and that shows a little preview of the font. And so then go ahead and click install in the top left here, which will install the font onto your computer. So I went ahead and I installed all the fonts from the May bundle onto my computer. Now, a special little note here: if there's more than one font file that you want to install onto your computer, you can do that very quickly by selecting them all. Now I'm on a PC, so I do that by holding Control, and then I click on each of the font files I want to install, and then right click over them and click install, and it installs all the fonts at once. So that's very handy.